Hello everyone, you are welcome to Delicious Kitchen today. I'm so happy to have you all here. Thank you so much to all you my subscribers, my friends. Thank you for your support. Guys, we are cooking Tuwo Shinkafa rice meal. It's easy and yummy. If you haven't joined Delicious Kitchen, please consider doing so today. Subscribe, like, turn on your notifications as well. Guys, let's start cooking our Tuwo Shinkafa. All you need for this recipe is your rice and water. Simple as ABC. I'll be using long corn rice. You can use any kind of rice that can quickly get soggy. All you need to do is rinse your rice 1 or 2 times. You don't need to parboil this. You don't need to wash until you get out all the starch in it. Just leave some starch in the rice. We need it for this tuwo. Rinse 1 or 2 times, like I've just said. So, after rinsing your rice, drain the water. And when you're ready, just pour some water into it. I'll be adding just normal water into it now. I placed it now on my cooker and I'll be cooking under normal heat, under middle heat. Okay, so you can see the first water is now dried. Let's check if the rice is cooked. The rice is cooked, but it is not soft enough for tuwo. Now I added some water. Please don't add salt. You don't add salt to this. Now cook until it gets really soft. You keep adding water. It doesn't matter how many times you add water into it. Now I'm satisfied with this, and you just need to get your spatula and start mashing it. You have to mash the rice till everything gets melted together. You can see everything is now tuwo nice. I can call it that. Keep mashing until everything looks really ready and well mixed. You can see. Now get a small bowl. Just pour some water into the bowl. You throw the water away because I just want it to get moist and a bit. Now add some tuwo into the small bowl. Shake it together, and your tuwo is now ready to be served. Now serve the tuwo. Let's see. Yes, this is how the normal tuwo shape needs to look like. I'll be rocking my tuwo with Gbegiri. That is the link above to how I prepare this Gbegiri. You can see, or you check the video below this very video, you are going to see the Gbegiri. You can serve your tuwo with egusi, with okra soup, with stew, with any kind of soup. Guys, it is ready to be eaten. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Stay healthy, stay safe. Love you all. Bye-bye.